This is the reason why that us experienced and knowledgeable mechanics and technicians say when a customer comes in for a cooling system malfunction, based on mileage and years, that we say, even though the water pump isn't leaking or making noise, that we want to replace it. And grab your water pump and show them. Yeah. So right here we have a, I don't even know what this is, 3.6 Durango, 2015. We don't know the history on the car. All we know is it showed up with an overheating condition. The customer said that the radiator and thermostat are new.
It has
150K on it. What we don't know is the water pump.
No, this is for a Jeep Wrangler, but they're identical.
But this is right from Jeep OEM part.
OEM.
And this was
Wrangler.
cheaper from the dealer than it was aftermarket. Turn it over. Because they use polymer water pump turbine fins, right? That we don't know if this is missing or decayed away. And typically what would happen is they would split and then the pump would just rotate and then this doesn't happen. So this is 100% that we say, even though your water pump's not leaking, we don't really know. We could actually see if the fluid's moving, but that means that it could be just that the plastic shrunk enough for it to start rotating. And then as soon as the vehicle gets hot or it's not stuck anymore, it could stop rotating. So we had a used car dealer, Dodge Ram, the other day, same scenario, right? Radiator's leaking, we want to replace the thermostat, and we're saying, hey, we want to replace the water pump, and what do? Decline the job. And then Rachel's like, well, they don't want the water pump. Well, if the car comes back overheating, how do you expect me to fix your car if you won't let me fix your car? No, I don't want the water pump. Just because it's not leaking, grinding, doesn't mean that it's not bad. Like, we don't know. And to take it apart to look is stupid. So to take it off and replace it, yeah. So mileage and years in service make a difference based on recommendations. We don't get too pushy with hoses unless they're gummy and soft. But a lot of radiator hoses today hold up for quite some time. You do get the occasional one like yesterday where clamping issue on an older hose, you get a leak, but that's the slim situation. So this is why we advise water pumps on newer cars. And even some of these other cars that have a propeller that's metal, I've seen propellers decayed completely away to where it was just a flat disc. So age, time has a lot to do with the water pump health status. So we're gonna present it to the customer. Hey, the radiator's blown out. It's just squirting fluid out of this side here.
I thought you said you got a new one.
That's what I heard. And the water pump is not new, and I don't know if the thermostat's OEM or not. But oh, look, that's leaking up there too.
Oh, nice.
Right here, look. I'm gonna. So you're seeing it just as we see it. Hold that light right there.
Yeah.
So right there is that orange fluid. Well, the camera's not doing it any justice, but that is the thermostat housing there that has orange fluid on it, and what's spraying out the radiator, orange fluid. So here's what we're gonna advise: new radiator, aftermarket's fine, OEM thermostat, and an OEM water pump. That's why we do it, because it's all made of plastic and it can't stay in service forever. Thanks for watching.